morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to know that we always sensed that there was someone or something or an institution working against us. It created a lot of muddled and unclear thinking. But they say that you are healing yourself from these doubts and fears, and you're free now. You need to believe in yourself. Your heart is full of love, deep affection, and caring. It's time for you to take a vacation, either physically or mentally. And your angels want you to know that material needs get fulfilled in magical ways. Always give and receive with a grateful heart. You've put these problems and doubts and fears and troubles behind you, and you must now beware of great pride. Rather be in calm and peace. And take care, those negative energies are still there. They say you're on a new path now, a confident, positive path for yourself and those around you. And you triumphing over troubles and obstacles. But do not be tempted to lower your standards. The star card is here and it says your dreams are coming true. Believe in yourself. It's the end of a difficult situation, and sweet results await you. Things are speeding up. You need to use your mind wisely. The moon phases are aligning with you now and with your desires, and you can start wishing or say prayers about what you want in your life. Trust that the universe is working in your favor. We still have problems to be resolved, but there's a sense of excitement happening, and there's great happiness coming to you. Be light-hearted and carefree. The archangels say it's important to have balance. Make your work fun. You know what? Make your life fun. You have been through a whole lot of nonsense, but you're growing strong within yourself. And yes, they do want you to take a vacation, especially from the two faced friends that you were dealing with. You're growing strong within yourself, and that is because you're claiming your independence, your true you. A sincere wish is going to be granted, and good fortune is coming out of that. They say you must take the narrative of your own life. You are a spiritual teacher. Share your wisdom with others. They say you're confident, enthusiastic, and courageous, and you will instinctively know what to do. You've set your boundaries, now move forward. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.